Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a dashboard in Notion. So guys, this is quite easy to do. This is my dashboard in Notion. As you can see here, I created this from scratch. So I'm going to be showing you how you can replicate this as well. All right, guys, so simply sign up or sign into your Notion account. Once you are here, just simply click on create new page. So go ahead and click on create new page. A new page is going to open up. So let's go ahead and minimize this small view here. And now all you need to do is where we have new page, just go ahead and type in the name. So I'm going to be calling it dashboard, but I'm going to be adding a twist by giving it a name, dashboard 2, then hit enter. And then use the / key to simply type in something you want to put in, like a value or a block. So I'm going to be calling this a database, and then the database is going to be table view. So that's the database we're using. So select table view for this, and then give the database a name like a to-do list. And now do the same underneath here by simply using the / entering database, and then select table view again. And then we're going to be calling this projects. So this would be projects. And then do the same again with a /, but this time it's going to be called calendar. So call it calendar view and then hit enter. And now we have created all three. All right, so now this one requires you to link it to something. So what we're going to be linking it to is going to be the to-do list. So we're going to be selecting the to-do list in the existing dashboard. So we're on dashboard. We can see the first one on dashboard 2. So go ahead and select the to-do list. And now it's not going to have any data property because you've not, added any data. All right, so let's go ahead and close this. And now we just have a to-do list and a project, basically. Now all you need to do here is go ahead and click on add property to the to-do list, add a property, and then we're going to be calling it dates. All right, so go ahead and click on dates here to add the property for dates, and then underneath the projects, here we have dates. And now all you need to do is simply click on this and simply enter a date like 4th of February, and then attach a name to it. So let's just give it this and click on enter and attach a date for it. All right, and now once you've entered a day, it is going to appear like this. If yours doesn't show up as this, you could just click on settings here, and then where we have layouts, hover above it and then select calendar. So it's going to appear as a calendar if it doesn't. All right, and then to link the to-do list to your projects, all you need to do is add a new page here and then give it a name, like click on enter, and then there is no need for an extra property, but rather what you would be doing is adding a checkbox to your to-do list. So click on the add property and then scroll through and select checkbox, and then drag your checkbox to the front, and then you can now simply reduce its size. You can reduce the size so it's quite small, and then we have a checkbox, we have a name, we have a date. All right guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.